Welcome back to the garage. As you can tell, the trailer is gone. It is not sold yet. We have a friend that's letting us store it at their place, so we'll have to take the tent off the FJ, move it over to the 4Runner, and you'll probably start seeing the FJ in the background. Right now you can see I've been moving stuff around. I'm getting stuff on the wall because what used to just be on the trailer, just in this area now, doesn't have a place. So the wall's gonna be more used. So you'll be seeing stuff changing in the background throughout these videos. As you can tell, it's obviously a different day. I'm still wearing green. Happens not to be American flag though. So, why are you guys here? Honestly, I guess we're somewhat entertaining. That's why you're here. But why am I here? We're gonna start doing secondary episodes of stuff. It'll be incremental updates, small stuff. You think sub 5-minute videos of what we're doing, why we're doing it. Just little tidbit updates that keep you a little bit ahead of what the videos are coming for, kind of like maybe teasers. There'll also be a little equipment stuff, so I'll do something like that, and I'll do something like that now. So one of the things that we had an issue with are our welding helmets. These are Digital Pro Hobby series. Honestly they're great helmets. I think they're like maybe $100 a piece for an auto dimming helmet that works with TIG. I've never had any issues with them. The problem is they wear out. You can tell here, it slides in. It slides in and grips. And I've had this helmet for 5+ years. We have two of these. They were cheap enough at the time that I got two, one for me and one for my wife. And honestly they started wearing out. For people here, not welding, the people that be observing, we had one helmet wear out early, so I used the one that did work, and then we bought just a standard non-dimming Lincoln helmet. They can put the hood down, look. They don't have to worry about dimming, auto dimming. They just look straight at the weld, and they can see it. So they're not sitting there with their eyes closed, looking off to the wall, trying to ignore everything. So I'm actually pretty happy with this one. Talked to the wife. Helmet 4. Yeah, helmet 4. Hopefully this will be a lot longer lasting helmet. Similar technology, almost the exact same technology as the Digital Pro Hobby, that from what I can tell. But this is the Digital Performance. Digital Pro Hobby is no longer being made. But it does a different detent system that actually has 2 buttons to lock them in. And then the lens comes in and out and gets replaced that way. So, also the back is a lot more comfortable. It's got a proper full body strap on the back, so I'm looking forward to actually using this. I've used it a few times already just for small intermediate projects, and it's been great. Today is July 23rd. The equipment updated where the truck is right now. Truck currently, we have a new radio in there with it has navigation. It's got dash cam. It's got a backup camera. It actually has a CD player now. It had the original really low ends Ford 5 programmable AM/FM radio. That was what we thought it was gonna be. It was like an hour install. If it was honestly just the head unit, yeah, it might have been that long. But wiring it up for the GPS antenna, where that's got to go, snake it through, snaking the wires for the backup camera, snaking the wires for the dash cam. All that's integrated into the one head unit. It wasn't the cheapest option, but I think what happens, it knocks out a lot of things we have to do incrementally later, and into one nice little head unit. Really feels like it modernizes the system. We'll splash a picture now up here, and you can see what it looks like. Last bit of advice I had before I go: you don't have to have all the tools you ever think you need to do a project. But when you're doing a project, think, if it's a $20 project, think you're gonna spend $2-3 on a tool or a gadget while you're working on it. Just budget out a small percentage of money to always grow your collection of tools to what you need. Eventually you get to a point where you don't necessarily need to buy, a new drill or something like that, but a project, you have consumables. These don't last forever. These last, dozen cuts or so, depending on what you're doing, and they're gone. So just always plan on, your tools aren't necessarily consumable, but they realistically are. A really good tool will last you a long time. and it'll last you a lot longer than a bad tool. You know, you get those Harbor Freight tools, they're not going to be excellent tools, but they'll get the job done for a lot of it. But you know, if it's something that really matters, get a, you know, the reason why there is name brand for things. So that's about the last bit of advice I got for you guys. I mean,